question, how do you find a sick shader toy find into a VJable assets? You do it with vibe coding. So in this case, I'm using Gemini CLI, right, to take all that, and then I'm using synesthesia is essentially like the GLSL wrapper, right? So that, you can kind of see all those parameters there. Those are being controlled in real time by my MIDI controller. If we can kind of angle it right here, you can see the results of that, right? So the way we did that is that all of this is actually code. You can see one of the examples, two examples there. Normally, I would have to take all of this, copy and paste it back into a browser and kind of go back and forth with it. The one thing, and of course, do your diligence in terms of security and reading the documents and understand what it has access to, but Gemini CLI, check this out, for all the sort of changes to the code, it does it way better where I don't have to go back and forth and copy and paste. It just understands these need to be changed and it will make those changes. You can kind of see right there. So I approve all that, or I'll kind of oversee all that. Once it's done, I go back to Synesthesia to verify, and then Synesthesia is the app that has OSC, MIDI, etc. So that way, once it's in here, that's how I'm seeing it here, and then I've connected my MIDI controller to that, mapped everything out, and you can see these parameters, right? So this is all, because it's all code-based, you can change these in real time, and then because I'm able to control it in MIDI, it's much more user-intuitive. I could pass it off to someone at the event, just to have fun time with. But it's a much more, it's a tangible way to play with the code, and so I think because of that, it just changes a lot of it dynamically. So really happy to have things worked out. It doesn't work out perfectly every time, but in this case, it was able to help me with the errors and get everything going. So very interesting software stack for some very interesting results. But looking forward to playing this at the next Rave or Club event. Let's go.